Information is everywhere. From the moment we wake up, we're surrounded by news, opinions, and content from all over the world. But how do we know what's true, what's reliable, and what's just noise?
That's where media information literacy comes in. Media information literacy teaches us how to access, evaluate, and critically understand media and information.
It empowers us to recognize credible sources, fight misinformation, and make well-informed decisions in the digital world.
Whether it's identifying fake news, analyzing social media posts, or understanding the bias behind articles, media information literacy helps us to stay smart and safe online.
Media literacy isn't just about protecting ourselves, it's about promoting truth, respect, and responsible communication in society.
Be media literate.
Be empowered.